My first rule of photography is really simple. Timing is everything. There's a reason that every time you pick up a travel brochure, the photos seem to be taken at a certain time of day, just before or after sunset or the morning, because that's when the colors are the warmest, the softest, the best shade of the day. Case in point, I got this shot of the Columbus, Ohio skyline at midday and it looks nice, right? Well, now let's compare it to a shot I got same place, a little later in the day, just after sunset. Now this is a pretty graphic example. The city lights have now been turned on and they reflect really nicely in the river, making for a way more pleasing shot. And it was really easy to do. I shot it on my iPhone 14, and while composition was important and where I stood was important, really the most vital thing was being at the right place at the right time, just after sunset. This won't work in every situation, of course, but believe me, if you're shooting a cityscape with reflecting lights that go into the water, you want to be there just after sunset. Just look up the sunset time, prepare to spend about 30 minutes, snap away, and I think you'll find a dramatic improvement in your photography. This is another edition of our iPhone Photography 101 series. Stay tuned for more. We have plenty installments. Check out the playlist, which is either here or here, I'm not sure. Either way, I know my name and it's Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching.